advances the likes of which we have not seen before. You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give up your very best. Good luck, men. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles, gaggle and goggle, be sure to find your home.
Runways clear, prepare to take off here. We must play our part.
Oh, Captain, I hear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Jumps away, our endless flame must start. We're off
On a wild goose chase,
and a simple mission, position the whereabouts of your farm.
we're off unless we're flown into kingdom come. We won't be back till we found your farm. But we don't know where his farm is. Dear, how are we supposed to tell the news?
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of. We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask you to do it as well as we. We're off to solve this problem first. For what could be grander than having a gander for able listening ducks? Excuse me, sir. Captain is approaching from the rear, sir.
What? I think we've spoken before on the subject of your spectacles, barnacles. Get them checked. Cattails do not advance. One of the things that they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky.
Yeah.
Well, I lost you.
Stand back or I'll catch.
Hold me still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be goosed.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Listen here, Cat. My squadron is taking personal control of the duckling safe return to his mother.
I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we can fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks!
Ooh, joke, sir.
Perhaps I might get some assistance. I'll go over to the chute, and then I'll let you know when they're packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin the outside.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase. You may think it's odd that a squadron is asked to perform this show. We're off, and you that's not the case.
Avoiding the attack will surge for this right
And
rocket.
then return to base.
Company presents paper. Company presents coal. We are about to embark on our most perilous mission to date. I need hardly tell you of the risks involved or of the ultimate price that we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory, I'd like to tell you how very, very proud I am of this squadron. Keep a stiff upper beat, men, and remember our motto, Semper Victoriam non pate de foie gras.
On behalf of Captain Waylight, I'd like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from Bonnie Marshland to Parkland Park. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying at a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many, many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey and thank you for flying up there, the lucky sky. We're off to ensure this nothing is not so calm. We won't be back until we come.
Hold still. They're putting away their gun.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
All right, then final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me.
Yes, you don't think we were going to leave you here with the duckling, did you? Oh, no, Puss, you're coming with us.
Calitor.
Our wings are spread,
Don't delay.
our access